Hello and welcome to the world of logistics, transport, thousands of tons of cargo and dynamic solutions we create every day. My name is Viktor Kastelic and I have been leading Cargo Partner Slovenia for 10 years. Today I will show you 3 case studies. You will see how we keep supply chains running, even in times of disruptions, how we make our clients' warehousing more efficient, and how we support e-commerce segment which saw incredible expansion during the pandemic. Cargo Partner is an international full-range info-logistics provider with nearly 40 years of expertise in supply chain optimization. It offers a comprehensive portfolio of air, sea, road and rail transport, as well as warehousing solutions and custom clearance. We design tailor-made services for a wide range of industries like pharmaceuticals and healthcare, high technology, automotive, e-commerce, foodstuff and perishables, and fashion and lifestyle. Cargo Partner Group has more than 130 offices in 40 countries and over 3,000 employees worldwide. Following our slogan, we take it personally. We strive to create tailor-made solutions, create long-lasting relationships, and provide the highest quality of our services. Therefore, we developed competence centers for each key industry. In our first case study, I will introduce a smart warehousing solution in Automotive Competence Center at Dunajska Streda, Slovakia, for our valued automotive customer. This customer is a leading automotive supplier whose customers include Audi, Skoda, Jaguar, Land Rover, etc. They demanded full transparency and highest precision in logistics processes to ensure smooth production flows. Therefore, Cargo Partner made a commitment to maintain a warehouse accuracy of at least 99.9%. That means there is almost no room for mistakes. What did we do? We set up an end-to-end logistics solution covering the entire process from inbound to outbound logistics, including managing of call-offs, specific packaging, industry standard compliant labeling, and so on. We set up numerous electronic data interchange connections with end customers and thus assured high level of automation and accuracy. We ensure goods are always prepared just in time for pickup and production flows are running smoothly. When in 2020 supply chains broke due to lockdowns and restrictions taken by numerous countries, it was a great challenge to ensure mobility of cargo. We had to react quickly and find new solutions. Cargo Partner developed new rail services via the New Silk Road, organized regular weekly charters from Far East, and also introduced emergency service. Here we come to the second case study. In November 2020, Cargo Partner Slovenia received an inquiry for a highly urgent shipment consisting of almost 2,000 car tires, which had to be transported from Thailand to the United Kingdom. Delivery failure could result in a production shutdown and consequently an astronomical contract penalty for our customer. Since the timeline was extremely short, we booked a charter flight with passenger aircraft. But just the day before the flight was scheduled, airline cancelled it due to COVID-19 infections among the crew members. We had to find an alternative door-to-door solution in a few hours only. And we did it. We found a new airline, loaded tires on aircraft, we custom cleared them immediately after landing and delivered them to the recipient exactly at the specific time. Furthermore, the pandemic had a great impact on another business segment, e-commerce. Because of safety measures and lockdowns, many activities have moved online and online shopping has experienced a real boom. Many of online retailers doubled their revenue, some even tripled. This chart shows demand index for Slovenia and Croatia. You see, the demand was much higher in 2020 as in 2019, especially during first and second wave of the pandemic. Much more than in regular peak season. The largest increase in purchases was in the segment of toys and computer equipment for personal use, where sales increased up to 240%. The rapid growth brought new challenges for online retailers. Due to sudden increase in traffic, many of them have faced a lack of storage capacity, lack of staff, and improper IT system. They could not process orders in timely manner, provide all fulfillment services, or manage their inventory. How can we help? Firstly, we can assure enough staff and space. More than 6,000 square meters in iLogistics Center Ljubljana, only for fulfillment services, with storing and manipulating the goods in a controlled temperature regime and in accordance with HACCP standard. Secondly, thanks to excellent geostrategic location, we can assure fast delivery throughout Slovenia and the wider region from the Balkans to Central and Eastern Europe. Our customers benefit from using network of cargo partner distribution centers, achieving higher cost efficiency. And thirdly, we offer comprehensive IT support, which enable us to automate the processes and provide all value-added services online retailer needs. And here we come to the third case study. It is about an e-commerce customer, a US company specialized for baby carriers and accessories. Firstly, we set up an API connection to the web shop on Shopify platform. This enables us to receive orders directly from the web shop into our IT system and to automatically fulfill them in the warehouse. Our employees pick the ordered items, prepare packages, and hand them over to the parcel delivery provider. Our customer receives automated order confirmation, and the end customer receives the notification that the package is on its way. In this way, we significantly reduce the volume of administrative work, of manual work, and greatly reduce the possibility of errors. In addition, we provide real-time order tracking and 24/7 access to up-to-date inventory data. On demand, we can also take care of the return logistics. What are our plans for the future? We will keep developing our services. One big step forward will be the expansion of cargo partner iLogistics Center Ljubljana. In the additional 14,000 square meters of new capacities, we will introduce modern material handling technologies such as goods-to-person shuttle systems, automated guided vehicles, and drone dispatch port. Part of the new facility will be adjusted to e-commerce services, with all equipment and infrastructure needed, including personal parcel pickup and return point. The pandemic changed the world in many ways. It has accelerated the process of digitalization and pushed us forward to find new ways and offer new services. We have proved to be a reliable and innovative logistics partner and passionate for what we do. With our know-how, state-of-the-art IT system, and highly skilled employees, we will keep the goods moving and the world rolling. Thank you, and stay healthy.